adapt faster than ever before to maintain their rule. In Tanzania's Serengeti, a notorious brotherhood of cheetahs. They command this vast hunting territory. But their status is under attack. Rivals are closing in. The battle is no longer just to stay on top, but to stay alive as they try to cling on to their mighty alliance. For the past 6 years, male cheetahs, Luca and Ovu, have held their territory here in the southern plains of Africa's Serengeti.
Are those the cheetahs? Those are cheetahs, Oakley. What's that? Is that cheetahs, Oakley?
Is a cunning
Are those cheetahs?
the brains of the operation. While Luca, with his muscular frame, is a creature of brute strength. They're always at each other's side, but they're not brothers. They were born 50 miles apart. As young males, their paths crossed, and through many years